Ooh, Avengers Endgame. Pepper Potts, played by Gwyneth Paltrow. So, this is the Iron Man rescue. Okay? See the front, the back, the sides. Straightforward. Box is actually bigger than most from the Endgame. It's quite light. Okay, let's open her up. Okay. Boom. That's how she looks like. Okay, what's inside? You got unibeams right there. Plasma beams. Got the face. Let's zoom into the face. Look at the face. Really looks like Gwyneth Paltrow. Okay, that's the Iron Man extra head. You got a bunch of hands with repulsor beams. You got repulsor beams right here. This side, repulsor beam, repulsor beam. Okay, you have as well here. Check it out. This thing here. Okay, interchangeable hands and everything. Okay, let's open her up. I am Iron Man. Okay, so Figuarts actually made the plastic protectors a little bit better for the newer series, but here it's not bad. So you get a lot of stuff with it. Okay. Okay, see, extra hands right here. So this is how she looks like. Straightforward, no head. Can she stand by herself? Okay, head goes in. Okay, and you can see there's a peg inside. Look at her face. Really looks like Gwyneth Paltrow. You have the extra Iron Man armor head here. Okay, how to put it inside? Just go here and it clicks. There, it clicked already. That's how she looks like. Okay, head can move. Not bad. Can go up, down, side. Okay. Okay, let's place some hands. Can put the armor here. This one goes in first. At the back, you'll see that there are openings here. See? So this is interchangeable as well. So this is the back that she comes with. It's written rescue. You can place her plasma beam, plasma cannons back as well. Straightforward there, goes there, easy to do. Then you can place more beams towards it as well with these things. These things are not movable. They are not movable. Okay, they're just for display. Then you can put her hands there. Okay, you can see the hands are very small. They're delicate. Okay, go straight here. Clicks in. Okay, she's doing a fist. Okay, now check the fist. It can move. You have to hear a clicking sound. There. Okay, you can see it moves a little bit. Twisting only. Pretty good. Okay, the other hand as well. Okay, you heard the click. It's clicked already inside. Okay, her hand can move that much. Okay. She's not that steady for marble. Ah, there you go. Good. Plus, you can have a lot of the uni beams like this. Okay, change her head, easy to do as well. Okay, there. Okay, we take out the armor. Put Gwyneth Paltrow's head inside. Okay, it will click. There it clicked. That's how she looks like. Okay, she's quite poseable. The marble's a bit slippery. Not bad. She can fly as well. Extend her hands all the way. She can do a kick. Her booty can move as well. See? Okay. Ah, look at that. The armor can move as well there. Okay, we'll take out the back. Back's easy to remove. Put back the other back. Goes there. Armor goes in. Armor locks in. As you can see, I'm putting it up and down. Check out her face, her body. Really looks like Gwyneth Paltrow. Actually, it looks more like the Stealth Iron Man, in my opinion. Nice, not bad. Easy to put back. This one goes in. Okay. Locks in. You can hear it. There you go. Looks nice.